Oh, here's a bite. Here's a bite. He's got it. He's got it. Oh. There we go. He's got it. The freaking Huddleston is getting the work done, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. I respect you. I respect your fight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, do you see the Huddleston? It's gone. It's disappeared. Look. You can't even see the bait. Oh my gosh. Completely crumbled the Huddleston. Look at that. It's gone. That's got to be 5, Mike. Oh man, that's a freaking chunky bass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Look at the girth on that fish. It's gone. You don't see it. You don't see it. Oh man. Wow. 5 pounder easy. Where are the pliers? Where are the pliers? Here they are. Get this Huddleston out of you because you nearly swallowed this thing. Dealing with some things on the other fish. Couldn't get it to like. There we go. Almost 5.
Or 6.
Let's go.
What a chunk.
It's
man.
a chunk, ain't it? From just the looks. Oh, thanks. If she was 4 inches longer, she'd probably be 5. Chunk hold. Yeah. Hey. Other way, baby. Here you go. All right. Go ahead, baby. Uh-oh. You confused? Yeah, if you want to. I think it'll be better for the hookup ratio. Yeah, you can definitely cut it. I wanted to set a little earlier that time, make sure he didn't even get hooked in the throat. But man, that's nice. Really good hit. I like it. I like it. There we go. On the Huddleston, right at the top of the lip. Textbook hook set. Nice fish. Man, that is awesome. Look at that. Right on the top of the head there. Fish number 7 right there. And that's a nice one. I'm enjoying it. Look at him hit the sun. Beautiful. Yeah. All right, here we go. Shad pattern headhunter. Let's get it. Let's go shallow first. Let's go shallow. Right in here between these sticks. You know, that's where shad hang out, right? That's where baitfish hang out, right? I think there's a predator up there. Any bass back here? Oh, right when I said that, look. Right when I said that. Oh, dude. Barely though, but it came up. Is she spooked? Will she be back? Oh, here's a bite. Here, look. Here, I'm gonna wait. The line's moving. Here we go. Got him. Dude, look at that football, man. It was in the mud for a little bit. Look at his gill. Look at that football. Looks like the trick with this bait is to let them hit it, wait a little bit, watch that line move, reel down, get some tension in the line, and set the hook. Just like with bigger swim baits, you want to fish it the same way. Is anyone out here? All right, guys, the Headhunter's doing great for us, but guess what? I want to see what this Citizen can do. All right, y'all. Still kind of active. It's almost 11 a.m. We've been fishing since about 7:30. But when you're catching fish, that time goes by. All right, so check this out. We're gonna throw the Citizen instead of the Headhunter for here. And man, I'm gonna put it over here in the shallows. I'm hoping with that exposed hook, we won't lose those couple 6-pounders that we lost. And also, I'm hoping to get more bite marks from this thing too, because this thing is already chewed up as it is. And you know, this is the only one I have. Let's not lose it though. All right, folks, let's go. I was so anxious on that 6. Look, blowing up right over there. Man, pre-spawn is out and about. I was so anxious on that 6, I didn't wait like I should have. So I'm gonna try to be a little more patient, even when they hit it on the fall. Look, 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 hit it right now. Look, he's got it. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Got him. First cast on the 6. First cast on the Citizen, and he got off. Wrapped around the stick and gave me a stick instead of a fish. That's okay. It just sucks because that hook like just tucks in. I'm gonna rehook this really quick. What's it? Oh, here's a bite, here's a bite. Here's a bite. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Got that boy. Got that boy. Oh, that's a big one too. That's a big one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Look at that. Man. It's a 4-pounder. That is a 4-pounder. This is a wide lens, so it's gonna like compress everybody because of how wide it is. Man, that is a 4-pounder, baby. That is a good fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Citizen right in the mouth. Oh my goodness. Here, let me see if I can get some photos. I have my second phone in my pocket. I can just do that. Good fish. On the Citizen. On the Citizen. Look at that. You can see it just creeping. Oh man, that's so cool. All right. Let's put her back. Bam. That's easy 4. Easy 4. It might be a 5. It's at least 4.5. Let's get it out of there. That's why you gotta keep that Citizen tight. Hook came out just like that. Oh, she's starting to swallow the plastic. There we go. Let her go. Hey. Chuck hold. Chuck hold. Oh, she peed all over me. Sorry, baby. Here you go. Oh, yeah, we're dirty. We're dirty and we're catching fish, baby. That bite felt good. The darn Citizen. On the Citizen. Appreciate it, homie. Thanks, Jimmy, for letting me have it, bro. It was a good trade. Yes, sir. That is great. That's exactly where I wanted to hit. There's like some suspended tree and branches over there. We got right in between it. That's a bite. You might have it. It's a small one? Got him. Let's go. Boy, are they strong out here. Yeah, a little smaller. Oh, hold on. No, not that. It's a 2-pounder with the gut on them. It's a little short. Yes, exposing that hook made so much sense, and it's helping out so much. Look at that thick guy. See, it's weird. Like, some will have like a defined lateral line, and some of them they'll just be faded. Just like a straight emerald green color. Still a beautiful bass. Beautiful largemouth. Football. Said, hut, hut, hut. Ah. Chuck hold. Chuck hold. Here you go, buddy. See you, football. I gave him a chance to come back. It was a crappie. It was a crappie. Oh, here you go, here you go. That ain't no crappie. That ain't no crappie. That ain't no crappie. It might be the smallest one of the day. Unless we get to see it when she comes up. Oh, no, that's not the smallest one of them. That is not the smallest one of the day. Oh, my gosh. He was just running towards me, huh? 2.5. Golly. Look at that right there. Bam. 15, baby. 15 banger. Happiness. Just like that. Wait. Oh, yeah, hooks out. Starting to swallow it. I know you're hungry. Sorry. You got plenty of bait fish in there. Chuck hold. Oops. Oh, man. They're getting in the water. Oh, gosh. Here we go. That one had some spunk, man. Oh, that was fun. Anyways, we're going to scan the bank some more with this Citizen. Try to get us a big bite. Big fish. I don't have a scale, so I can't, really gauge how big of a fish that one was. But, I'm being competitive. Mike caught him a 4.85. I had me a short stubby, what was it, a 4.64 or something like that. But that other one that I just caught on the Citizen, it was longer than that last one. And she was thick. But unless it looks straight up over a 5, I'm not going to say I beat him yet. On weight, got numbers. Gotta beat him on weight. Gotta beat him on weight. It's good to have some fun, friendly competition. Oh, that caught me by surprise. Oh, man. I was just talking and my pole just goes down. And here we are. Yeah. Ooh. These big baits, they're just bringing in quality fish over and over and over again. Look at that. Textbook. Crap. Oh, crap. Did you get off? He got off. Oh, he got off. What a guru. Flipped off the Citizen and released himself. That's fine. That's cool. Unload. Oh, look at that. Right there, right on the fall. I waited a little on this one, so you better not come off. You better not come off. Oh my gosh. I thought there would be a fish over there by the rocks. You better not come off. You about to come up, aren't you? Don't come off. Dang. Oh, man. Oh, that's a nice fish. Another nice fish. These citizens are only bringing up big fish. Swim bait season! Swim bait season! Oh, crap. Look at how he just inhaled it, though. Like, look. You don't see the citizen, right? Not right now. Boom. He just moved on. Get it out of you. Just like that. Chuck hold. Nice, thick, and... Oh, there you go. Oh, he's kind of face first in the mud. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. It's, dude, what number is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got bit right at the bank. Oh my gosh. This feels like a good fish too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was just gonna pull that bad boy in. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go. Might be 3.5. That is a chunk thick fish. Did y'all hear that line scream? Oh man, there we go. Let's see if I can. I don't have my other phone on. Boom. That's number 19. Bam. Here you go, buddy. That is a big mama, you guys. Go ahead. Do your thing. There it is.